Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics you need now, confirm your connection and free up bandwidth. Once done, close background apps and tabs that steal throughput and pause any active downloads. Next, open the YouTube player and use pause or the on-screen stop. Note the timestamp so you don't lose place. If the video keeps buffering, try switching quality down one step before reloading. These early moves address the most common causes fast and get you ready for deeper fixes. Now you dig into execution. Clear cache and cookies because corrupted storage can hang streaming, then sign back into your account. Make sure to disable extensions that inject scripts or open an incognito window to test YouTube without add-ons. If that fails, switch browsers or another device to isolate the issue. Also, manually lower playback quality, 1080p to 720p or 480p. Since finish by restarting your device and updating the YouTube app or browser, because patches often fix streaming bugs. If loading continues, reboot the modem and router and consider changing DNS to 8 or 1 to rule out resolution issues. Once done, test playback over mobile data to see if the problem is local. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, note exact errors, timestamps, and steps you tried. That record will speed support from YouTube or your ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.